Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new daily update on Bitcoin, of course. We're going to do a full update here. I mean, in general, overnight we actually, like in the Asian session, we actually got some bullish momentum. We broke back above 64,000 right here, but then we, earlier, or at least in the last 2 hours or so, or I believe even in the last 45 minutes or something. We dropped down below that level again, so right now I would say the situation is still very similar as it was yesterday, where basically this looks like on the 4-hour time frame some sort of a bullish flag. On the 1-hour time frame, it's quite evident that we have lost some of our bullish momentum right here. All right, you can see that the trend that brought us up here and brought us up to 66,000 has gone away a little bit, or at least is not as respected anymore. But the thing is that even like all of these moves were to be expected, I would say. And if you watch my videos, you also would have expected them, at least to a certain extent. But right now, I think the more interesting question is that, right, well, is this actually because of just normal market circumstances? But we got some major news earlier this morning, and I could not find. I think CoinDesk should have reported on it as well. But there's some sort of a big crisis at Microsoft, right? So they did some sort of an update, and that's causing big problems for Microsoft-based systems. And that's actually quite, I mean, in general, I'm not sure, like if you look at the S&P 500, which I still do think that there's some sort of a correlation between those. That's trading a little bit lower than the close yesterday. So I would say there's some sort of an effect, some sort of a bearish effect. But whether that's causing Bitcoin to drop down or it's just the technicals, I don't know. All right. But no, in general, I think the situation is still the same for Bitcoin, right? So we hit a significant level. Since then, we've gotten some bearish confirmations. I would say the the bearish breakout below 64,000 is also a bearish confirmation. Then apart from that, volume is also a little bit lower, even though over the course of this morning, when we saw some more volatility, it has started to increase. And I would suspect that it will continue to increase over the course of today, and then it will drop back down in the weekend. But no, all right, so I would say that situation is still the same. So that would mean that on the 1-hour time frame, I would expect some more cooling down, all right? And for me, the main support level to look at is still this level right here between 62,800 and 61,800. That's by far the strongest support level. And I've said this before, but if you talk about the fundamentals right now regarding crypto and Bitcoin, I think we are still bullish, and I expect us to be bullish. So you should also be prepared for a bullish move at any point of time. All right, practically at any moment right here, we can just break out and start rallying again, especially on a Friday. All right, Friday is usually a quite volatile move or quite a volatile day. And I have seen in the past some bigger moves on Friday. So that is a possibility, but if we're purely respecting the technicals right here, and if you have a general overview of the structure, I would say it's most likely that we'll see some sort of bearish momentum first here, dropping down into that major support level, and then from there I expect us to at least hold, and then also eventually to turn bullish again, get up to 66,000, and hopefully break above that. But I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, I think that's most likely. But like I said, based on the fundamentals, but also if you look at how Bitcoin is reacting to every minuscule support level, I would say overall that there's no doubt in my mind that we will stay bullish for now, at least. All right. So those are my thoughts. All right. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.